All right, what's up, guys? So I just want to make a quick video for you all, just to do a recap on one of the trades we took today. And so it ended up being about 165% return, and it was on SPY. We played the 429, or sorry, the 495 puts. And so they were today's expiration, and basically what we're looking for was a flush down to 94. So I kind of want to talk about this one. So initially, if we scroll back here to previous period, you can see yesterday we had a huge sell-off like overnight, and we recovered all of that in the morning, which was pretty crazy. But if we look at the price action from last night, you can see that we kind of triggered this sell-off right around that 498 price level. So I zoom that out, you can kind of see, okay, we had this 498 price level and we kind of triggered to the downside. Very fast sell-off. Okay. Now that's number one. Number two is we left this big gap overnight um, of basically just a gap. And you guys know most gaps get filled, even if they show up like this. So this was the break between overnight trading and then the next morning. And so if we look at the charts here, this is kind of what triggered me to get into the trade. So you can see here we had a push up to the upside, and I did not have this level here yet. Now we had a push to the upside, broke out upside, and then tried to break this 498 level. And when we tried to do that, essentially we tried to break, and ultimately we got sold right back off with high volume, as you can see here. Volume increased trying to break it out, and then it sold off right away. So what I was looking for was a break back below my EMAs. Once we got that, we got the break below the EMAs. I entered on the retest of this 496 level. So once we got this break below the EMAs, I was looking for, okay, we get a pullback here. We entered here. And then from there, we just held, and eventually we got that flush. First target was 495. And then we got that price target was met here. And then we continued to flush. And then basically what I was looking for was a flush to this level here, this 494. Now, all of this price target, entry trigger all came from the overnight data from last night. And you can kind of see, so there was that gap. I was looking for the gap fill and this to be a support level at 494. We had this pivot point here that acted as resistance here, and then I was looking for, okay, once we tried to break out and failed, we broke back below the EMAs, said, okay, this is probably a trigger to go short. And then I was looking for, I saw this squeeze on the 5 minute. I knew that we had a squeeze on the higher time frames too, like the 15 minute and the 1 hour. So I think there's a lot of things backing this trade. And I figured, okay, maybe we might get a sell-off. I think we will more than likely get a sell-off to 495, but I mean, I'm pretty positive we will. But like that's the high probability trade. But what if we fill this for 494? So we took those puts and wrote it to the downside and caught 162%, I think it ended up being when we got to here. So that's the trade recap. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.